Y'all be putting these lashes so wrong for this fox eye look, but don't worry, let's get into it.
It's Chrissy.
Day one or one day, you decide.
It's your girl Chrissy and I'm back with a video. Back with a video, and today y'all already know by the title what this look is going to be about, so let's not ramble on too much, right? If you're new and you're now clicking on this video, hi there, welcome to the family. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see all my videos when I post, right? Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, y'all. I'm feeling this look, so let's just get into the video. Oh no video.
Okay guys, hi. So today I will be doing a voiceover. Sorry about my voice in advance if I'm singing very raspy. Y'all, I literally went out and I came home in the morning and my voice was different after that. Anywho, let's get into these products. Okay guys, so I'll be using 3 palettes. I'll be using Juvia's Place Tribe. I'll also be using IGooddcoo with 48 colors. Also my Bolei Makeup Eyeshadow. So you can definitely get these at Wonderful World. Also I'll be going in with my wing eyeliner, my mirror, and yeah, that's about it. So let's just begin. So you set up your station, you find your brushes. This is me basically looking for a brush. Okay, great. So I'm going in with my blending brush just to start the foundation of my makeup. I'm going in with the Tribe palette with the shade Ashanti. It's like a brown, really nice light brown shade, and I'm just blending that into my crease, more on the outer corners, to just give it a bit of definition for my fox eye look. Then I'm going in with a pencil. So the name of this pencil is Eden. It's a dark brown pencil. You can definitely get this in any cosmetic store, I think, because I purchased it in 2 different stores. I bought this one recently in Wonderful World, so yeah. So now I'm going into my next palette with the same different shade of brown. It's a bit similar, but I'm just going to use that to blend out the pencil so that it doesn't give it a harsh look. As you can see there, it looks blended and nice. I think I should have used a better brush, but if you do, you can definitely use a better brush. But yeah, it just blends everything nicely together. I'm also going in with that nice brown orangish tone. It's like a pumpkin spice color, to mesh everything together to just give it that nice brown smoky wing. And then I'm going in with my 𝐼𝓉𝓈 wing liner in black, and I'm just going to draw a wing. It doesn't have to be perfect because you can also go in with the concealer to make it sharp, right? So it's just to give it a dark color, because I'm going to blend that out now. So not much people get the wing down pack, but as I am always doing makeup, I know how to do the wing to a T. So I'm just going in with some of my concealer. You can also get this concealer in Wonderful World, in Pennywise, or any one of your beauty supply stores. And yeah, I'm just going in to sharpen that line a bit, and I'm just drawing a line, and I'm just going to pull down that product. You're not wiping it harsh, you're just pulling down the product, and yeah, you set it and let it dry, and then you're just going to brush it away. So yeah, going in again just to touch it up a bit. So honestly guys, I went in with a next orange color because I feel like the orange pumpkin spice color wasn't really giving me the effect that I wanted. But you can always improvise with a palette that you have home that's closest to the color, just to give it that blended look now. So I'm just going in with my 𝐵𝓊𝓈 white pigment, and I'm just going in with that same brown that I used earlier, and I'm putting it in the inner crease of my eyes, that's right underneath my eyebrows. And as you can see, I'm just blending that in there. So I'm going in with my wing liner again, because honestly I didn't have a black pencil. You could always use a black pencil, it would be so much easier for you, but I didn't have a black pencil. So I'm just improvising, and I'm using the same black eyeliner that I used, and I'm just going to blend that in as much as I can. It was very difficult because the wing liner, it dries really fast. So that's why I recommend the black pencil, where you can get more of a smoother finish. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, and I'm just going in and I'm keep blending, guys. To get this eye, you just have to keep blending your neutral shades together, just to give it a nice smooth contrast, and it doesn't look harsh, because it can easily look like that if you're not blending or just being gentle with the eyeshadow. So this is me shaping the corner of my eyes with the 𝐵𝓊𝓈s that I showed you earlier, and I'm just patting it in with a light neutral shade, just to give it a bit of definition in the corner. And I'm just patting that. As you can see, it looks so different. It makes my eyelids look so much bigger. And I'm going in with the gold and like a nice rose gold shimmer, just to put on my eyelids, just to give it a bit of definition. So now I'm just going to take my blending brush, and as you can easily see, I'm just going to blend the two now together, but I'm bringing it downwards, as you can see, and just connecting the lines to give it a nice shape, you know, especially for those persons who have hooded eyes. It's very difficult to create a look like this, so don't worry, I got you guys. So now I'm going in with my wing liner, and I'm putting that aligning underneath my eyelids, and I'm just connecting the wing that I put on my eyes, and just connecting it with the under part of my eyes to give it a nice cat eye effect. So I'm just going to connect that with the inner corners of my eyes, just to give it a more of a fox eye finish. And I'm going back with that same brush, just to blend everything together so it doesn't look harsh, because to get this effect, everything must look, you know, very much shadowed and smooth, as you can see there. Oh my gosh, I love how this is coming together. So now I'm just going back in with that concealer, just to clean up a bit of the excess makeup. Just blending that concealer away. I'm not being harsh on it, I'm just patting it smoothly. Now I'm going in with my mascara. Y'all, this mascara I bought in Wonderful World. I don't really recommend it. I'll still put the information down below. Now I'm going in with my eyelashes. I also bought this in Pennywise for $12. I don't remember the name, but I will see if I can put the information down below. You're not putting it in the inner corners of your eye, you're putting this on the outer corner of your eyes to create that fox eye look. Because like once you put the eyelashes in the inner corner, it makes it look wider than if you put it more on the outer corner of your eyes. As you can see there, I literally lift my eyes and it gives it the sleek, sexy look that I was going for. Ask me where I learned this hack. I think I learned this hack on TikTok. Yeah, you know TikTok is your best friend. So yeah, that's how I learned it, and I'm just going in with my tweezers to make sure and pinch that together so that it stays good. Y'all, I use weave glue. I don't recommend it, but that's just what I use. It lasts long for me. It doesn't go out of place. And I'm just going in with a bit of that just to connect my real eyelashes with my false eyelashes so it doesn't go anywhere. So that's just what I'm doing, trying to perfect it. But yes, guys, try this hack. Tell me how it comes out. I love how it looks. It really lifts my eyes. I already had small eyes, but I didn't know my eyes could look so small with this fox eye look. Like, oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. So I'm just going back in to blend everything together just to finish it up a bit. Going back in with that neutral shade. It's like a creamish color. I use this for under my eyes just to make everything look high definition. And yeah, oh my gosh, y'all, get into this look. Like, y'all better like and comment, because like I'm putting you gillies on. Like, tell me, guys, what you want to see next. Do you want to see me contour my nose, contour my face, contour my lips? Because you know you can contour your lips, right? That's actually a thing. But anywho, let me stop blabbing on. I'm putting some mascara underneath my eyes just to give it a bit more smoky finish underneath my eyes. And I'm going in with a really light champagne color eyeshadow just to give it a bit more definition. As you can see, that made a huge difference. And yeah, that is how it looks, and I hope you guys love this look. Yeah, let me show you guys how it comes together, period. I mean, yes, this is what we want. This is what we need. It's giving Barbie, it's giving sexy, it's saying a lot without saying anything. Like, I wear this makeup to go out, and y'all, a lot of people was asking me how you did this look, like how. So I say, just subscribe to my channel and I'll put you guys on. It's no biggie. Like, get into it. Y'all, I'm feeling myself, sorry about that. Anywho,
Okay guys, and this is the final look of my fox eye makeup look. Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm obsessed with this look because it's so simple yet so sexy. Like, my eyes are really hooded, so you wouldn't get to see the definition of it much. But when I say slick for the gods, I mean, like, what? Like, it's really giving fox eyes. Like, my eyes are looking scary. Like, if I look into your soul, wouldn't you be scared? Like, I love this look. Like, if you guys love this look, don't forget to comment down below, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see all my videos when I upload them. Yeah, tell me what you guys want to see next. I'm seeing this look going around all over on my TikTok, so I was like, let me hop on this trend, see how it turns out, and I'm obsessed. This is like my go-to look for like when I'm going out and I want to do something fun and look sexy at that. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye. Mwah.
I can't lose when I'm with